So we are underway. We're leaving the docks right now and just heading right out toward, right into the sun. It's going to be kind of right into the sun for a little while as we head west. Then a few miles we'll be heading north, and it'll be a little bit better. Anyway, here we go.
The sun is shining and it's bright and warm, and we are finally off. At least we hope we are. Sadly, there's a sunken sailboat. Looks like it may have gotten caught in one of the storms. Looks like the mast is bent. This is our first anchorage with the dog and on this boat. And Sailor is just exploring, trying to figure out what's going on. We've got quite a wake coming from the boat that just went by. It's going to be a bumpy afternoon and evening. Sailor is stuck outside. She wouldn't come when I called her, so this is the poor thing now. And it's cold outside. Looks like a very full and active mooring field, and then there's that one there. Looks like it must have been here through a storm or two, because it's
Up on the shore.
half
There's two
underwater.
on the shore, too.
Where? Oh yeah, way out there. I don't know if you
Big
can see it
trawler
on
and a
this.
sailboat.
There's a sailboat up on shore, and there's one that's half underwater. What a shame. And lots of sailboats have mooring. And the moon is still in the sky.
Haulover Canal Bridge. Haulover Canal Bridge. This is Motor Vessel Onward on 09.
Oh, yeah, good.
Yes, sir. Request opening. We're about a half mile to the east.
How much clearance do you need, Cam?
We need 28 feet.
Confirming 23.
28.
Roger, Cam, when you're close enough.
Roger that. Thank you so much. Look at the rocks over there on the left. If you cut that corner too sharp, you got trouble.
You sure do. Let's not do that, okay?
Yeah. That's one of the cautions I wrote down last night.
Sailor? We're not sure, but there might be a shark over there, kind of right by the red buoys, somewhere around there. Oh, there it is. No, maybe it's a dolphin. We thought it was a shark at first. Yeah, that's a dolphin for sure. Look at us. There's a lighthouse out here. I think that's our first lighthouse since we've been boating. This is the Vets Memorial Bridge. And then we have the International Speedway Bridge beyond that. We are south of St. Augustine, and it's been absolutely gorgeous. The water is flat as can be. Sun is shining and not very much wind. barge just tied up here. We're not sure why. Doing well. We're 16 now, but it was 14.9 when you dropped. Here's our anchorage for the night, January 1st, 2024. Gorgeous.
This is kind of an interesting little bridge here that we'll be going through. It's a twin span bridge going to Amelia Island, and then it's followed immediately by a railway bridge. You can see it there on the right hand side where it's a swing bridge, and it's left in the open position unless a train is coming. It's not tended or anything. So we're fortunate that it's open because this will greatly reduce the amount of time to our next anchorage. We're going to be stopping for the night in about a little bit less than an hour probably, and then tomorrow we'll have a 3.5-4 hour trip to finally get to our marina at Jekyll Harbor in Georgia. We went through a bridge a little earlier that had just a ton of currents whipping all over the place, a lot of eddies, turbulence in the water, just from the convergence of tides and currents, I guess. And we were tossed all over. I wish I'd have set that one up to go ahead and record, but I didn't. I didn't have the foresight. Anyway, we'll be through this in just a few seconds, and then I'll let you go.